Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my vlog. Today, we're going to Las Vegas nga pala guys kasi my husband wants to go to the water park and so ayan, mag-road trip mode ulit kami ni Mister. On the way pala guys, dumaan muna kami dito sa town namin. So ito pala guys yung town namin. It's actually like 30 minutes away from our home. Hindi naman siya masyadong malayo pero kung maglalakad ka, ayun, super layo niya talaga. So dito nga pala guys sa Amerika guys is walang ano dito, walang tricycle, walang jeepney, kaya kailangan mo ng may sariling sasakyan. Pala guys yung town namin, it's not that big pero meron siyang mga stores and you can still find anything you need. Like we have Marshalls. Marshalls pala guys is new siya. New siya dito. Kaka-open lang yan few months ago. Then we have Safeway too. Hi guys, so ayun, nag-stop over muna pala kami dito ni Mr. sa may visitor center sa Lake Mead Visitor Center, Bisa may palm tree. Maganda naman siya guys. May palm tree and then may restroom sila. Then it also has a nice view of the Lake Mead. After here nga pala guys, na head to Boulder City. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung town nila. Ano siya? Yan yung view ng Lake Mead guys. Nice siya dito. Nice yung view niya dito. And nandito na pala tayo guys sa may Boulder City, yung town nila. So ito yung pala yung town nila guys. Hindi rin siya masyadong malaki pero may mga stores din naman. May restaurants and then usually masyadong marami yung mga tao dito guys na pumupunta. So ayan, maganda rin yung mga niya. Yung mga palm tree, different kinds of palm tree. Tsaka ayan yung park nila guys. Ang ganda. Super malinis yung mga park nila dito guys.
It's windy. I bet it's not so hot. 94.
It isn't too bad.
Kain po. Ito nga pala yung ito nga pala yung lunch ko guys. Nagbaon ako ng lunch namin. So, yan yung na lang siya.
check it out.
Pala kami ngayon sa biyahe papuntang Las Vegas. So ayan, ginutom ako kaya kakain muna. Kain po. Tsaka mayroon din akong coffee from McDonald's.
Oh, here you can get it.
Oh, waiting na.
Okay.
I already have a video.
Oh.
Nilagyan ko nga pala yung chicken rice ng turmeric kaya color yellow.
Careful, that's right. Hold on to it.
Might be all tourist.
Oh, that could be good pizza. Like a real Italian.
Yeah.
I never noticed that one.
China. China is Asian. Masarap yung niluto kong chili chili. Para siya, niluto ko siya na parang ano. Tapos nilagay ko ng basil seasoning and then tons of garlic, yeah. Nilagyan ko ng maraming garlic.
Give it too much garlic. So where we are.
Where's my husband?
And theirs is so dark you can't see it.
que no mintan atrás.
$8.56. $8.56. You can get full in line there.